What is special about the Cochrane Co-production Methods Group? Cochrane's well known for leading the way in terms of having high-quality methods and approaches for systematic reviews. There are a number of different methods groups which spearhead research relating to methods of conducting and reporting systematic reviews. But I think that our group is different in two important ways. Firstly, there's been some debate about whether co-production is actually a method. Clearly, it's not a method in the same way that there are statistical methods or methods of assessing risk of bias. Within some methods fields, there can be really objective evidence that will show that a certain approach is best and the best way of doing things. But when we're talking about methods of co-productions, we're arguably unlikely to have the same sort of objective clarity as there is in some fields. But there are many different ways, approaches, or methods to involve people, and these will have really important consequences on the final systematic review. So exploring, understanding, and evaluating these methods is vitally important. The second thing that I think makes our group special is that we would describe it as cross-cutting. Most of the other Cochrane Methods groups either focus on a specific stage within a systematic review, so for example, the assessment of risk of bias or methods of information retrieval, or they might focus on a specific type of evidence synthesis, for example, methods for rapid reviews or diagnostic test accuracy reviews. In contrast, we are interested in how people can be meaningfully involved at any stage of an evidence synthesis and within all types of reviews. In other words, we think that our co-production methods group has got relevance across the whole ecosystem of systematic review planning, production, and reporting. As well as working with patients, public clinicians, we're keen to work in partnership with methods experts from all other Cochrane groups and wider groups to explore or support co-production in the topic that they're interested in.